Acumatica Construction Change Management. Change is inevitable in construction because each project is complex and dynamic. It is impossible to anticipate every change that could be made to the original plans. Effective change management is crucial to handling modifications smoothly and ensuring project success. Acumatica's change management workflow is a proven process for communicating project modifications in real time from anywhere. Maintain full visibility into the impact each change will have on the project schedule and budget. With centralized documentation, real-time cost management, and enhanced communication, a change order management process is indispensable for effective project execution. The Acumatica change management workflow starts with an on-hold change request. The request is then converted into an open status for review by the project manager, who may request additional information and deny or approve the change. Approved changes are fully documented within the application, providing an audit trail for future reference. Manage changes that impact project revenue, commitments, and budgeted costs. Negative change orders help manage back charges and reduce vendor commitments. Streamline change orders for multiple construction projects with unit rate changes, custom retainage, and cost-only change requests. Let's look at Acumatica's change management functionality by starting with the Project Status Dashboard. This dashboard is a centralized location for all project-related documents, making it easy to track and retrieve changes in the office or field. The change order log lists all change orders in the system and provides hyperlinks for viewing project details and attachments. The project management homepage is a place to document project issues in the field and set priority levels. With Acumatica automation, project issues can be converted to RFIs or change requests. The Change Request tab shows changes for each specific project. Approved requests are converted to change orders for implementation into the project plan. Role-based permissions control who has the access and authority to put change requests on hold, remove holds, and approve and deny changes. Approval workflows prevent bottlenecks. To ensure timely decisions, they can be set up to send automated email or SMS notifications when change requests require review and approval. Next, let's view all the change orders associated with this project budget. Like change requests, we can view all the change orders at a glance and drill down to review supporting information. Attach supporting documents and see them at a glance in this list. Set up rules to apply changes to specific project areas with change order classes. Automated cost tracking and budget updates help manage the financial impact of change orders to avoid cost overruns.
Alpha Insulation Waterproofing is a commercial construction subcontractor that specializes in waterproofing, fireproofing, fire stopping. We are about $150 million in sales, and we have 17 locations throughout the United States. With Acumatica, the people in the field and it being cloud-based, they can access it from anywhere. They can access it from their truck or right on the job site. So they do have the ability to see costs as they hit the job and to see where they stand in regards to the budget. So it provides a lot more visibility.
An effective change management workflow provides real-time visibility into project issues, RFIs, change requests, and change orders. Leverage Acumatica Construction Edition to navigate construction projects and manage the status of each change throughout the project lifecycle. Contact us to schedule a personalized demonstration.